I'm Scott Williams. I own Skyefire Bakery, and this is how we do it. These are our sourdough ingredients. Flour. You want a nice flour with a low protein content, high starch content. Do not use hard baker's flour. 00 is the best. Water, keep it cool. You never want your dough to exceed 26 degrees Celsius or else it'll never rise. Salt. Salt is always 1.8% to 2.2% of the flour volume. Starter, we use a wetter starter. It's 1.5 liters to 1 kilo of flour. Works well for us. You can go stiffer, you can go wetter. So the starter, you need to make sure the acidity is right. Most people won't be able to, but it's okay. 3.5 pH to 5 pH is perfect. Make sure you're consistent. If you're going to keep it at 20 Celsius all the time, keep it at 20. Make sure you always refresh it. This is the Sourdough Starter.